Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can create this beautiful macrame pattern using a knot called the Friendship Bracelet knot. Let's get started. To begin, I've just gone ahead and attached 2 cords to my dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now I'm going to take the cord here on the very far left and I'm just going to kind of pinch it upwards so that I form a loop here off to the side. Now I take the cord here on the very far right and take it in front of that loop. I'm going to twist it all the way around the cords in the middle and then bring it through the loop. And then I'm just going to pull on all my cords to tighten up the knot. Just like that. And now all I do is repeat. So that same cord over here on the far left is kind of going to pinch upwards to form a loop. Then my cord on the far right goes over, around the cords in the middle, and then through the loop. And then we pull that tight. Okay, so one more time, cord on the far left pinches upwards. You form a loop here on the right side. Then that cord on the far right goes over, around, and through. Pull it tight. And all you do is you keep repeating these same steps over and over again until you reach the desired length. And this is what it will look like once you have tied a few of those knots. So this is the really cool front side. And then if you turn it around, this is what it looks like on the back side. It's a little bit different there on the back, but really cool design as well. And I just wanted to show you what this knot looks like when you use just one color. Okay, so it is very beautiful whether you use one color or 2. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.